John with Going Mobile. Today we're going to go out and work on a Toyota forklift. Now I went and looked at this previously before, opened it up. It's got a new motor in it, but the people that put the new motor in lost one of the plugs that was probably tied to the engine somewhere, and it fell inside the distributor. Over time it rotated around, took one of the ears off of the timing point on the distributor, and it doesn't like to start up, and if it does start up, it has a long crank time. So today we're going to go out, replace the distributor, and I'm going to show you kind of a quick way of how to time these things up real quick, because you don't want to get them off with these new ignition or Toyota, especially with the Toyotas. You don't want to get them off. They don't offer a whole lot of software for the average Joe to get in there and work on these things, so you don't want your timing off on them. And I'm going to show you how to kind of really get the timing set and replace the distributor, and some things to look forward to on doing the job. And hopefully I can get a lot of this on filmed. I brought my bag of goodies down there so I can wear a head camera or a chest camera. We'll see which one works best. I might just go the old-fashioned way and stick this magnet somewhere so you guys can kind of see things, because as I start tearing into these items, I don't film the best due to the fact I am charging these people, and I want to be as fast and as efficient as possible, and I don't want them to pay for my filming time. And if I do, I end up cutting myself hours off just because I was filming, and it does take quite a bit of extra time to film. So a lot of times you'll see where I just jump fast forward things is because I just set a camera up somewhere and start filming, and I forget a lot of times I am filming, and I have to go back through and do a lot of editing, because as a mechanic there is times where you bust your knuckles and things don't quite work right, and you say words that are not quite appropriate for children to hear on TV. So I try to keep my channel as PC as possible. So there we go. Well, on that notion, we're going to go and install a distributor. Oh, and by the way, it is 63% humidity and 94 degrees out right now. It is a little warm out. Someday I will fix the AC in the service truck, but probably never. Thank you, guys. Well, we got the parts in there, got it fixed. Customer's happy, forklift runs great. Got it put back to factory timing, and kind of checked it out. But you guys saw how when I pull those distributors apart, I always mark where they were at, and that gives you a good baseline of where to start at, because on those there's really not a whole lot of counters on them, and the timing's all controlled computerly. So if you don't mark everything when you tear it apart, you might be searching to try to find out where it goes again. Sorry, I gotta move you guys around. Unfortunately, this is not a automatic, which we won't go into that, why I prefer to have a manual transmission. Clutches are a lot easier to replace than valve bodies, so we'll go that route. But needless to say, customer's happy, got the job done and accomplished. Now we're going to head back. We'll head to the house. I got another job. I got some struts to do and some suspension bushings to do and some motor mounts to do on another vehicle. That's going to be a fun one. Well, we're going to wait a little bit. I'm going to head off into Ogallala. Ooh, look at that. miles every day. But like I said, I'm gonna head off in Ogallala with the family. We're gonna go pick up our puppies and start on the next job. So until the next time, just keep watching.